Relationship Repair, Part 3. Use the word and instead of but. And repeat back to them what they have told you. Hopefully having a calm, communicative conversation about it. I hear you, my dear. And when she's done, and this is how I saw it. And this is what came up for me. And this is how that made me feel. Just the third part of it. It's let them know how it made you feel. So not, yeah, but this. Yeah, but that. It's more, I hear you. Thank you for telling me. I will weigh it all carefully. And this, that, and the other thing. Whatever it is that's on your mind that you want to say. If you feel the time is appropriate, if she's inviting you into that, great. And let her know how whatever it was that came up, how it made you feel. Just how it made you feel. Really try to hear each other, listen, make each other feel heard and understood. And this is exactly the culture you want to create within all your relationships, but especially with women, because they need to feel heard and understood, as we said. It makes them feel very safe. It makes them feel like a leader has shown up in their lives. It is our job to create that culture, gentlemen. It's not always easy because we are also emotional, but we can create a discipline, and we can get very good at this discipline of responding calmly instead of going right into reaction, right into our primitive fight, flight, and freeze response, can send everything off the rails. And that doesn't mean we should ever tolerate bad behavior. We always have to have boundaries. If she is, or the other is, abusive, dishonest, holds us in contempt, can't have that in our lives. But if she's there as a willing spirit, as you are, she overall treats you well. You don't necessarily have to set a boundary. You can set the culture. And that's what's important. You guys have a great day.